welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This is just for the March, I think? Yeah, the March regular base glam bag. This one, I definitely misinterpreted the little zipper pull at first, because it looks kind of like Roman, so I was like, oh, is it like Beware the Ides of March? Women's History Month, bro. Women's History Month. Slow clap for me overthinking it. Anyway, so let me get the little card out. Okay. Yes, it's for March. So March 2023, step into your power. This month is an all-out celebration of women's empowerment. As your biggest allies on the journey to self-expression and confidence, we're giving you everything you need to embrace your unique beauty, from a feel-good beauty routine to a community of inspiring women cheering you on along the way. Because when women come together, we're not only powerful, we're unstoppable. Then you can scan the QR code to get into this month's theme. Don't know if that works from a video, but if you want it, there you go. And then there's the whole introducing icon box on the back, which is what the Glam Bag X is becoming now that the BoxyCharm Ipsy merger has happened. Worth up to $350, Glam Bag X will now be called Icon Box. It's the same membership you love, now with a new name and more perks than ever. Upgrade to Icon Box, and once every quarter, you'll receive it in place of your monthly shipment. For only $58 a quarter, you'll get 8 full-size, uber-coveted products. You choose 3 from a collection curated by a beauty industry icon. Okay. Oh! It does not have the info on this one. Cool. Freaking love that. Eyes on the prize. Slay all your arch enemies. Again, see, like, it's not out of line that I thought it was Ides of March, okay? Like, this, I could still see this being that. Arch enemy. Sparse spots. Power brow fix. Put down the tweezers and grab a micro liner. These ultrafine eyebrow pencils are a sparse brow's BFF and create natural-looking fullness by mimicking individual hairs. Just follow the direction of your hair's growth and flick away. Arch enemy, unruly hairs. Power brow fix. For a long-lasting hold, you'll need the help of brow gel. My God, I cannot read for shit today. Using a formula that's both strong and flexible, we love Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. My God, like, really, the dyslexia is so fucking bad today. I don't know what my issue is. Brush your brow hairs upwards towards your hairline and out towards your temples for a feathered look. Arch enemy, overdone brows. Power brow fix? Yes, too perfect is a thing. For the ultimate natural brow, stick with an eyebrow pencil and a clear gel. Remember, light hair-like strokes. And if you've gone too heavy-handed, just brush them through with a clean spoolie to remove excess product. Already knew that. Usually have to do that every single time because I'm always too heavy-handed. So, anyway. So since we have no info, I guess we'll just go into the products. First thing in there was this really cute brush. Like, look at the color on this. This is adorbs. It's a setting brush by Shayna B. Miami. Super, super soft. I'm in love with it. Now, if anybody can tell me what a setting brush is for, that would be great. I'm assuming you dip it in setting powder and just kind of go over your face with it. That would be my guess, but I'm not positive on that. Also, can you use a setting brush for anything besides setting powder? Because, I mean, this, to me, this kind of reads as a blush brush, but I could be wrong. Anyway. So there's that. We also have from KAB Cosmetics a tinted lip oil in Borderline. Oh hey, making me think of BPD. So I'm just like, well, fairly sure I have that, but undiagnosed, but would not be surprised. But anyway, it's a very cute color. Very cute color. Cannot wait to play with that. It's a good size, honestly, too. We have from Botanique Beauty, the caffeine eye cream. This was my choice item. It's brightening and depuffing. So it has caffeine and hyaluronic acid and green tea in it. And the green tea also has caffeine. So if it's caffeine on top of green tea, hell yeah. Then we have from Grown Alchemist, the Age Repair Intensive Moisturizer. I don't think this is very big, despite what the box is making you think. So my mom got something from the... Yeah. Okay. Because I want to say last month, she got this exact same item. That's why I was like, if I'm not mistaken, this is going to be a skinny little tube. Yep. Okay. Yep, I know what's up with them. But I'm still excited to try it. And then finally, from Tarte, we have the Lash Treat Mascara. Just a little mini of it. But minis are good. I mean, it still takes me a while to work even through a mini mascara. So, not mad about it. So there's that bag. And then my second bag, because I'm still subscribed to 2, because I'm insane, also has the setting brush. That's why I'm like, if it can be repurposed, I don't mind dedicating one as like a proper setting brush, but like the other, can I just like use it as like a brush, blush brush, or a highlighty brush? Because I feel like this would also work for that. What else have we got? Does this one have info? Watch this one have it. It does! Okay, so at least we can read about the brush. So that brush is a $5 brush. Nothing crazy. Like all of Shayna B. Miami's Luxe Makeup Tools, this plush pink brush helps you apply your makeup like a pro. The 100% synthetic bristles are super soft and help you pick up the perfect amount of powder to add the finishing touches across your makeup without disturbing it. Tip, use this brush to bake your under eye area. Okay. So, they don't mention anything else. We have got the First Aid Beauty Hydrating Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. So this is a deluxe sample. Full size is $40. Ouch! But First Aid Beauty does not come cheap, so. Dehydrated skin, meet your new BFF. This lightweight serum is a heavy hitter in the hydration department thanks to hyaluronic acid. It helps to instantly boost your skin's moisture for up to 24 hours without any stickiness. Tip, apply this after toning and before any thicker serums, oils, and your moisturizer. Sounds good. Plus, I just love that brand, so. We have another one of the caffeine eye cream. In this one, this was not the choice item. If I had realized I was getting in this one too, I wouldn't have made it my choice item in the other bag. But oh well, hopefully I like it, because I have a whole bunch of it now. So this one, this is full size, and it retails for $18, so not a very expensive one, but that doesn't mean shit. Like, it could still be good. Energize your tired eyes with a caffeinated fix that helps you wake up. This eye cream contains antioxidant, dense green tea, and hyaluronic acid to help brighten, hydrate, and reduce puffiness so that you look more youthful and awake. Tip, use your ring finger to dab this cream on for the gentlest application. Yeah, that's true of, like, all eye cream. Why does this one feel so weird, though? Does the other one feel like that? Yeah, I guess it does. It might just be the outer packaging that I'm feeling, though, to be fair. To be fair. Okay, what else we got? We have another mini mascara, and this one is from Beauty for Certain, and it's the Whole Lotta Mascara in Rich Black. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $32. Ouch, oh my god. Boost the body, lift and length of your eyelashes with this mascara that helps give you a whole lot of lashes in just a few swipes. Tip, wait until the first coat dries before brushing on the second. Well, no shit. You don't do it while it's still wet. And then finally... Ooh. What are we... Actually, I think this was my choice item in this one. This is from Give Them Lala, and it's the mini bronzer in Ibiza. Now that I know who Lala is, I was like, oh, okay, let's get her stuff whenever it's like an option. Okay. So, this is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $26. Give them Lala, more like give them an epic contouring glow. Don't do that. This ultra buttery bronzer is the perfect contour shade and delivers a matte buildable tan for contouring, bronzing, and more. We love it as an eyeshadow too. Tip, swirl a fluffy brush into the powder, then tap off any excess to ensure a natural sheer layer. So let's see it. So the color looks like this, and that's why I thought as a bronzer, I was like, this might be a light enough one to where it doesn't look obnoxious on my skin tone. This might actually be okay. So I'm kind of excited to see how it does, but we will review that on another day in its own video. So that is it for this one. That's what I got in my March Ipsy Glam bag. So Not too terrible, not too shabby, but yeah, a couple repeats, but that's alright. They're usable. I mean, brushes are always helpful. Eye cream is always helpful. No complaints, really. There's nothing here I'm upset about. So, anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.